Hello and welcome back to my channel. In tonight's video, I am participating in an open collaboration. The theme is freestyle. But let me ask you, are you ready to transform your dinner party into a royal affair? Imagine guests just gasping as they enter into a room of shimmering with regal purples and golds. This tablescape isn't just a design, it's an experience waiting to unfold for your next harvest dinner party, guaranteeing an unforgettable evening. Let's get into the video. I already have the stage set with a shimmering sequin gold table cover with a centerpiece of greenery. As we watch me put this table together, I would like to just thank the host, Anna, for hosting this Tablescape Tuesday. This is an event that is done once a week. Sometimes we have a host and sometimes we don't. This week, as I mentioned earlier, it is freestyle. So I am choosing the colors purple and gold. That is so elegant for this tablescape. Continue to watch and please make sure you go by the playlist. There is a playlist and watch each participant's video to the end. Give them a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I would like to thank each of you for tuning in to my channel, watching. I've been away for a little while. I had some things going on, but I am back. And as you watch these next few videos, I will have on the same outfit because I have done probably 3 to 4 videos just in one day trying to get caught back up. I haven't been on YouTube to watch too much of anything. I did a short. If you haven't seen it, you need to go by and check it out. I will put the link in this video where I had my double window taken out and I had patio doors put in. And as you can see in the video they are in, it's bringing in so much sunlight. We love it. So I kind of wasn't able to get any of my main videos out. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in and happy decorating.